Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new poem of Robert Frost, which is symbolical, the road not taken. Through this poem, we are going to learn a fact of our life journey where we have to make certain choices. And often in such situation, we are filled with dilemma, but finally we make our choices through some logics and observations. Such decisions made by us put a great impact on our lives. Here, poet also memorizes such decision which he has made in his past, which has put a great impact on his life. Poet, as a traveler, finds two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here, while going somewhere, poet finds two roads that was divided or turned in a wood, that is forest, that was yellow. Here the forest was under the effect of autumn season. Probably that's why the leaves were yellow and brownish, and that's why it has been said that it was yellow. Therefore, poet as a traveler finds two roads divided or bent in a forest that was under the effect of autumn season. And he felt sorry because he could not travel both the road. One person cannot walk on two roads at a same time. And be one traveler, long I stood. And since he was a single traveler, he stood there long to observe the road or to take a decision that which road he should choose. These situations are very crucial in our life when we have to decide any one of the roads or career, and looked down one as far as I could. And therefore he stood there long time for observing the road, and he watched or observed the road as far as he could. And till what point of place he could see? To where it bent the undergrowth. From the point where he was standing, he could see the road as far as that part where certain undergrowth, means bushes or grooves or trees were growing. Beyond that he could not see. Therefore he stood there and observed the road till that part where the undergrowth was growing, the bushes were growing, and beyond that he could not see. Then he took the other just as fair. Then he observed the second road also, which was looking as fair as the first one. Means he observed both the road, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Here poet wants to say that while observing both the road, he found one of them was covered with green grass and dried leaves, and it was attracting him more. It was looking better than the first road, and that's why he finally chose the second road, which was covered with grass and wanted wear, which was more attractive. Thus we see, when poet came across two roads, he fell in dilemma. He stood there for a long time observing the roads to decide, and therefore the road which was looking grassy and wanted wear, and it was more attractive, and that's why he had chosen to walk on this road which was looking more attractive. So here three things came out, that two roads standing for a long time for observation and decision, and observation made by the poet, by the traveler, and then finally he had taken his decision by the outer observation. Such type of observation sometimes gives a bad result also. Remaining lines will be explained in my second lecture. Before leaving, my dear students, I would like to ask you to write the summary of this part in your note copy. Thank you for watching this video.